I found a secret Twitter account which is getting thousands of views on just their Amazon affiliate links. You can see here 2,500. This one has 10k, 2,400. And I'm going to show you how you can create a Twitter account like this and how you can promote Amazon affiliate products doing so. So this is a Twitter account called Smart Gadgets, and I'm going to show you what they're doing. I'm going to give you the inside scoop, and I'll explain how you can find videos like this and promote Amazon affiliate products which are relevant to them. So if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you already know what the Amazon Associates program is, but for those that don't, you basically recommend products and earn a commission. I've made many videos showing you how you can sign up to this program. I'll link the sign up process in the description below. Basically, once you've signed up, you'll be able to get your unique link from Amazon. So I'm going to sign into my Amazon Associates account. And now that I'm signed into Amazon Associates, I have this bar, and I can then generate a link, which is going to be my unique affiliate link. So if I go to get link and then go to text, I can then generate an affiliate link. And if someone buys this for $800, I'm going to earn a commission on that purchase and anything that they buy within 24 hours. And this is what this Twitter account here is leveraging. They're essentially posting interesting gadgets every day, which are reaching thousands of people for free. As you can see here, 1,000 people, 1,000. And because Twitter's now implemented a view count, you can see Twitter profiles like this and actually replicate them. And you can see what does well. See, this doesn't do great, but you can see if you keep scrolling down, you'll find some with 3,000 views. And what you can do is you can replicate these tweets and reach this same audience and promote affiliate products. So let's just take a look at what these are doing. So they're posting short little videos of different gadgets that they find on Amazon, and then below these videos, they're then linking to their affiliate links. Now you can see some of these affiliate links don't get that many views, but 300 views is still alright for saying their main video got 2,000. But if you keep scrolling down here, this is a good tweet from them. It's a digital shower set, and this video got 2,300 views, and their link got 371 views. Now keep on going here, you can see 2,000 views, 300 views, and I mean, I can keep scrolling down here. They've got different products in different niches. This one has 2,700 views just on their affiliate link alone. They're saying it's an affiliate link, and if someone clicks on this and buys, they will earn a commission. Now I'm going to show you now how you can find content to post to your Twitter profile, because what I would recommend you do is you go ahead and post content to a new Twitter profile. So go ahead and create a Twitter profile which is about gadgets or cool finds online or cool gadgets, cool tech, you know, stuff along those lines. It needs to be cool, it needs to be viral, and this is why it gets so many views. Like, this is pretty niche, right? But it's quite cool, it's quite interesting. The video is very visual, and because of that, it got 10k views and 2,000 views on their affiliate link alone. So I recommend that you go and find products through ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT here and I just typed in, give me 10 cool gadgets for home improvement on Amazon. And it gave me 10 gadgets like a Ring doorbell, Philips Hue smart bulb. These are kind of gadgets that people already know about, that they're probably not going to care about to see on Twitter. So then I asked ChatGPT, give me less known ones. And then it gave me pretty niche gadgets and products on Amazon, like this multi-purpose laser. So I don't even know what this is, but let's just go ahead and check this out together. And this is the process you will go through to find cool products, and I'll show you how you can find cool videos which are going to convert well on Twitter. So I'm going to copy this product name here. I'm then going to go to Amazon, and I'm just going to search for this product, and we'll just see exactly what it is and if we can make it work with our Twitter profile. So it looks like it's a laser pointer for hanging up things on the wall to be straight. So let's go ahead and click on one, and we'll just take a look at it and see if it's useful for us to promote. And again, you've got all of these products that you can go ahead and take a look at, like SwitchBot Smart Curtain looks interesting. Maybe we'll do that one after. Okay, so here is the product. You can see green laser level, something rechargeable multi-purpose cross-line laser tool. And if you scroll down, you can see they have some pictures. Now, some of these pictures might not be great to upload on Twitter. This one might be alright, but it's not great. And you can go ahead and save this if you want. So if you will click on it, you could right click and save this image, and you can upload this to Twitter. But what I would recommend you do is find videos that convert. Now, to find videos, if you scroll down, they may have some videos down here which you can copy. Also, I would look in the reviews. Like here you can see videos, and some of these might be good to upload to Twitter. So let's just take a look at this one here. And for Twitter, you don't want a 30-second video, you would just want a short demonstration. So this product doesn't have any amazing videos, but what I would do, and this is a great way to find videos, is I will go ahead and copy the name of this. So green laser level, multi-purpose cross line laser tool. What I will do is I will copy this, and I will go to TikTok. You can see I've already done this for a different product. And if you go ahead and paste this into TikTok, you might then find videos about this product. So some people might have already created content with this product, which you can download, repurpose, and credit. Now let me just try one more product just to give you an idea. We'll try this SwitchBot small curtain because I'm doing all this live just to show you and kind of get you into the groove of doing this yourself. So I'm going to copy this and then I'll paste this into Amazon and we'll check this one out. Because remember here, you're looking for kind of like viral little niche products which are going to convert well on Twitter, which can be shown in a couple of seconds. Like you don't need a long video to show them. It needs to be short and concise. So this one looks pretty cool. It's a nice price point at $90, so we'll get a decent commission. And it looks like it pulls back the shower curtain for you automatically. So here's the product. You can see this one has a video, so let's check the video out. Oh, it's not for shower curtains, it's for actual normal curtains. This is a very cinematic video and it's going to be a bit long for Twitter, so we're going to bin that one off. Let's just have a look here at TikTok. So we'll copy this into TikTok and see if anyone's created a good video in TikTok. See, there you go. This is more what we're looking for. So this is a perfect video that you could download from TikTok. Make sure you credit who created this. And this could be the kind of video you would upload to Twitter. Now remember, you just need to keep doing this for a load of different products. It doesn't really matter what products you post on Twitter. Just throw some at the wall and see what sticks. And then when you see some getting views, find more products like that. Now, if you wanted to download this and post it, all you would do is you would copy the TikTok link. And then if you go to Google, and if you just type in here TikTok downloader, you can just go ahead and grab it with any of these. So you would just paste in your TikTok link here, and then you can download this TikTok. Now, if we go back to Twitter, you can see that these, a lot of the times, are crediting who the video came from. So this came from Aaron, and they're just kind of crediting the owner. If it comes from TikTok, I would just say like, check out this, and then I would just say credit to Mr. and Mrs. Homebody on TikTok. And then once you've got the video posted, you just reply to your post. So go into the replies, and then in the replies, what you would do is you would paste in your affiliate link. So just like this is a perfect example. You've got the product video and you've got the affiliate link. So this is just an idea for you guys. I wanted to bring you an idea which you could try out yourself, which is free traffic, which is clearly working for someone. Go ahead and try it. Let me know in the comment section below if you've got any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.